I'm walking down the street of my neighborhood, on my block, and a tractor truck down there just plowed the street, and the snow is back. So it was almost like it was a waste of time. However, you did get the majority of it up, so the next snowfall the accumulation won't be as much. So anyway, I'm walking around the corner to my buddy's house because her roommate has to go to work. She works at a hospital facility. So we're going to try to shovel out the alley, get the car out, but that might be in vain because the whole alley, as you can see, the whole alley is covered with snow. So she may have to just stay home. And even if she does get to work, she may not be able to leave, which may not necessarily be a bad thing. However, we're going to assess the situation and see if it is, if this is something that we need to be taking on right now. All right, bye.